So this is a simple problem about rectangles, and we're told that the width of the rectangle is 8 units and the area of the rectangle is 24 units. But the way this question is phrased is kind of typical of a standardized test. They kind of turn the sentence around to make it a little weird. The width of a rectangle with area 24 square units is 8 units. So you think about the sentence this way. Area is 24 units, and the width, okay, the width is 8 units. What is the perimeter of the rectangle in units? So if it helps, draw yourself a picture of a rectangle, right? I've got an area of 24 and a width of 8 right here, and I want to know what's the perimeter. Well, before you can figure out the perimeter, we're going to need to know what is the length. Once you know the length and the width, then you can figure out the perimeter. So remember what the area is of a rectangle. This is a formula. It's going to be length times width, or in other words, L, that's the number we want, times 8. So if 24 equals 8L, divide each side by 8, and you can solve this little equation and figure out that the length is actually 3. So our picture doesn't look quite right here. Right? The picture makes it look like the length is longer than the width, but don't worry about that. So the length is 3. The width is 8. What's the perimeter? Well, it's going to be, let me put some numbers in here. If I draw my side lengths here, 3, 3, 8, 8, the perimeter is just the sum around all the edges. So 8 plus 3 plus 8 plus 3. That's going to be equal to 22.